Hari Om, Namaste. I had originally shared this video in Telugu earlier yesterday. However, on the kind request an anatomy doctor, professor, I am now sharing the same content in English. Thank you for the encouragement and support. This is the profound verse from Subhashita Ratna Bhandagaram. నవిప్రపాదోదకగర్ధమాని నవేద శాస్త్రధ్వని ఘర్జితాని స్వాహా స్వధాకార వివర్జితాని శ్మశాని తుల్యాని గృహాని తాని. మీనింగ్, నవిప్రపాదోదక గర్ధమాని, ఇన్ ఎనీ హౌస్ వేర్ బ్రాహ్మణ్స్, saints or noble people do not visit, such a house is like a cremation ground. Naveda Shastra Dhvani Gharjitani, in any house where Vedic chants or spiritual sounds are not heard at the home is also equal to cremation ground. Swaha Swadhakara Vivarjitani, in any house where yajnas, fire rituals, offering to deities Swaha and offerings to ancestors Svadha do not happen, Smashana Tulyani Gruhani Tani. Such a house is like a smashana, cremation ground. Therefore, in Sanatana Dharma, it is encouraged for everyone to serve Brahmins, saints and noble people, engage in Vedic chanting and spiritual practices, perform yajnas, pujas and offer rituals to your ancestors. By doing so, we bring divine blessings into our homes and make ourselves truly fortunate and blessed. Hari Om.